Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you could create a heading, like heading 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth for subheadings to your texts and documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your document, and you can, for example, convert an already existing text, like this one here, into a heading. To do that, highlight it, navigate to Styles in the top left corner or here at the top, and choose one of these options. You may go for body text, title, subtitle, heading. Heading 1, for example, is associated with the shortcut Control 1, and then we got heading 2, 3, and so on and so forth. So if I convert that text into heading 1, it would look like this. And if I convert it into heading 2 by pressing Control 2, it will look like that. And heading 3 would look like this. And you can keep that style by pressing Enter and by skipping to the next line. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.